Good afternoon, everyone. Let's write today's date in your copybooks. So today is 24th of March. And the topic of our lesson is the house. First task, you have to read the text, and after that, answer at all these questions. So let's read the text together. The house. Mr. and Mrs. Smith have one son and one daughter. The son's name is John. The daughter's name is Sarah. The Smiths live in a house. They have a living room. They watch TV in the living room. The father cooks food in the kitchen. They eat in the dining room. The house has 2 bedrooms. They sleep in the bedrooms. They keep their clothes in the closet. There is 1 bathroom. They brush their teeth in the bathroom. The house has a garden. John and Sarah play in the garden. They have a dog. John and Sarah like to play with the dog. So this is the text, and I think it's clear for you because here we have present tense and it's very simple for you. So, and here we have a question. Did you understand the text? Ai înțeles textul? Please answer the following questions of understanding. So question number 1. How many children do Mr. and Mrs. Smith have? So, pentru a răspunde la întrebări, you have only to press. Trebuie să faceți click. Exemplu, 3 sons, 2 sons, no, sau așa mai departe. Yes? Trebuie să răspundeți, să faceți click. Citim aici odată, după care scriem acest text în caiet și întrebările și răspunsul la fel le scriem în caiet. Ca temă de acasă va fi traducerea acestui text. Translation of the text, the house. Traducerea textului the house. Have a nice day. See you at the lesson.